Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to resize or align multiple images in photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your photopea software. Now I am open a project or create a new project. Click this new project option. Then click the create option. Now I am open some image. Go to the file menu and click this open and place option. Then choose some image from our file. Now I am press Ctrl to select multiple image and click open. Now we can see here the layer option and added two image to this project. Now I am select the image, then press Ctrl T on our keyboard and resize the image. Then press enter. Then select another image and press Ctrl T and resize this. Now I am make a new layer in front the background. Click this new layer option and create a color. Now I am select the red color. Then press Alt or backspace. Now we can see here two images. You want to align these two images. At first select the multiple layer, press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Now we can see here the alignment option. You can align center, otherwise left, right, or top, middle, or the bottom. Now we can see we align multiple images very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.